Okay, homework and remembering Unit 2, Lesson 4 here. Let's look at the homework side, and you have some story problems on a chart on the top right with Jack, Dusty, Brandon, and Raj. Do the best you can on those. They're just set up in a story problem, but I do want to look at the exercises in the bottom half of our homework side. Let's just look at number 4. We have 9/10 plus 6/100. Okay, so knowing what you know about place value, you need to know how to read these numbers. This is 9 in the tenths place, so this is 0 and 9/10 plus 0 and 6/100 because the 6 is in the hundredths place. First thing I would do is to rewrite these and to stack them. So the directions say to copy each exercise, then add or subtract. So you're going to rewrite them underneath in the space provided. Notice that I line the decimals up. They're stacked right on top of each other. It's like button up your shirt. You want the buttons to line straight up and down. You want your decimals to line straight up and down. Now, knowing what we know about adding zeros, we can add a 0 right here, or we can just imagine that 0 being there. So we can 0 plus 6 is 6. 9 plus 0 is 9. Drop down that next button, which is your decimal down there. That is a decimal, it's just this pen is giving me a hard time. And then 0 plus 0 is 0. So you have 0 and 96/100 as your answer. Let's try one more. Let's try number 9. And this is subtraction. So we have 3 and 7/10 minus 2 and 49/100. Once again, please make sure you line up your decimal points. If you do not line these up on top of each other like you're buttoning up your shirt, you will have a mistake. So line your decimals up. So I'm going to add a 0 here to make the place values look similar, so there's the same amount of digits in each number. 0 minus 9 we cannot do, so we need to borrow from that 7. Make that 6. Okay, so now we have 60, and instead of 70 we have 60 there. Then we're going to take that 10 and give it here, so there's now a 10 in the ones place. So now we have 10 minus 9 is 1, and 6 minus 4 is 2. Once again, drop down your decimal. They are all lined up, and then you do 3 minus 2 is 1, and that's your answer. So we read this as 1 and 21/100. 1 and 21/100. That can also be written as a mixed number too. That's 1 whole and 21/100. Okay. So hopefully this is okay for you. Mainly know how to borrow and regroup with the tens place coming over with 110 and knowing how to subtract these, and also lining up your decimal points is really important. So if you have any questions, please send me an email and I'll do the best I can to help you through the internet. Alright, have a great night. Thank you.